Hey, to share the timestamp of the video on the YouTube application, you are not able to do this, but for sure you can still do this by going into the browser. So it looks like this, that you have to open the new tab and then type m.youtube.com, click go. Now we will open the desktop website of the YouTube. Now let's say that I want to open this video from the Ring everything. And now I have to zoom in a little bit and I have to click on the share button. Now from here, I've got option to click to start, for example, from the 8 second. And now I can click to copy link. And now it will start from the 8 second. But if you want to, for example, share like from the 7 minute. Okay, never mind. Let's open it, just right here. There we go. So now I can click share and it will start from the 4 minute. So yeah, that's it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.